Testing voltage in withstand voltage test under power frequency can be generated from two high voltage power supply, testing transformer and series resonant power supply. When the specified testing voltage of the tested equipment is high and its capacity is large, the rated voltage or capacity of the testing transformer couldn't meet the requirement of testing, series resonant power supply is available. This withstand voltage test using resonant power supply is known as resonant voltage withstand test. In figure, R is the equivalent resistance representing the loss of the whole test circuit, L is the sum of adjustable inductance and leakage inductance of power supply, C is the equivalent capacitance of the tested equipment, and is voltage between high voltage end of the testing transformer to ground when the transformer is no load. Adjust the inductance till the circuit resonates, at the moment XL equals XC, and the resonant frequency is dot. The voltage you see on the tested equipment is Q is the quality factor of the resonant circuit in the formula above. Because omega L is much larger than R when resonance occurs, that is the value of Q is large, a lower voltage U power supply can obtain a higher testing voltage you see at both ends of the tested equipment. When resonance occurs, current I is the same phase as voltage U in the circuit, the output power of the testing transformer is P equals UI, whereas the reactive power supplied to the tested equipment is QC equals UCI equals K. So the capacity of the testing power supply is only 1/Q of that supply to the tested equipment. People usually adjust inductance of the resonant power supply to achieve resonance in the early. Sometimes it is difficult to achieve the ideal resonance effect because inductance cannot be adjusted smoothly and in a wide range. By the formula, changing the frequency of power supply can also achieve resonance. With the development and maturity of frequency conversion technology, the resonant voltage withstand device used on the site adopts basically frequency conversion power supply to achieve resonance. At present, the mainstream series resonant testing device mainly consists of the following parts: frequency conversion power supply, excitation transformer, reactor and capacitive divider, etc. The resonant testing device has a lot of advantages: small in size and light in weight, split design, and easy to move, easy to flexibly configure the number of reactors on site, significantly reduce labor intensity and improve work efficiency. A typical connection of frequency conversion series resonant voltage withstand test is shown in the figure. Test method of frequency conversion resonant voltage withstand: adjust firstly output frequency of the frequency conversion power supply in tuning mode to achieve resonance, then adjust output voltage of the frequency conversion power supply in the case of loop resonance, finally raise output voltage to specified testing voltage to test. The output end of the frequency conversion power supply should be connected to the input end of the excitation transformer. The ground terminals of the frequency conversion power supply and the excitation transformer should be connected to the earth. The output end of the excitation transformer should be connected to the input end of the reactor. The high voltage end of the capacitive divider should be connected to the tested equipment, its other end together with the other end of the excitation transformer should be connected to the earth.